Hello and a warm welcome to Hargai, where we appreciate the finer things in life, especially when they have four wheels. Today, we have the distinct pleasure of discussing a creation that is, in every sense of the word, a masterpiece. It is a dialogue between the past and the future, a work of art that marries the unparalleled elegance of a classic Rolls-Royce with the silent, graceful power of electricity. The creator of this marvel is a British firm named Halcyon. Their philosophy is not one of replacement, but of remastering. They take iconic models like the Silver Shadow and Corniche, cars that represent the zenith of mid-20th century luxury, and elevate them to a new standard of excellence for the 21st century. The process is one of profound respect and painstaking craftsmanship. Each commission begins with a donor car, which is then stripped to its bare essence. The body alone receives over 1,000 hours of meticulous restoration by world-class coach builders, ensuring a flawless canvas. The exterior design, so close to perfection, is treated with a less is more approach. Only subtle refinements are made, such as handmade chrome bumpers and bespoke modern headlamps, enhancing the car's inherent beauty without disturbing its iconic silhouette. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of classic charm and modern convenience. Halcyon has gone to great lengths to preserve the analog feel, the delightful tactility of the switches and gauges that is so often lost in modern vehicles. Yet, seamlessly integrated within this classic environment are the amenities one expects today: a bespoke high-fidelity audio system with Apple CarPlay, a modern climate control system, and electronically adjustable heated seats. It is a testament to their design ethos that this technology never feels intrusive. It serves to enhance the experience, not dominate it. On the dashboard, there is even a dedicated gallery space for bespoke art pieces, a nod to the modern Rolls-Royce Phantom and a celebration of true personalization. But the heart of this remastered legend is its revolutionary powertrain. Halcyon has developed a sophisticated 800-volt electric platform, a piece of engineering that allows for remarkably efficient power delivery and rapid charging capabilities. The electric motor, positioned at the rear, produces between 400 and 500 horsepower, providing an effortless, silent surge of acceleration that is perfectly in character with the Rolls-Royce legacy of refined performance. The car offers a range of over 250 miles with its extended battery pack, making it not merely a beautiful object, but a truly usable grand tour. The driving dynamics have been thoughtfully enhanced with the inclusion of an active suspension system and upgraded brakes. 3 driving modes, Touring, Spirited, and Drive, allow the owner to tailor the car's composure from the legendary Magic Carpet ride to a more spirited and engaging journey. Halcyon plans to create just 60 of these remastered Rolls-Royces, with each one taking a full year to complete. The cost, at approximately $500,000, reflects the immense level of craftsmanship and bespoke personalization involved. It presents a unique value proposition for the connoisseur, the opportunity to own a piece of automotive heritage reborn with cutting-edge technology and possessing an exclusivity that a modern production car simply cannot match. It is a vehicle for those who appreciate history but are not bound by it. We believe in celebrating true craftsmanship and timeless design here at Hargai. If this story of automotive renaissance resonates with you, please consider liking this video. It is a simple gesture that greatly assists our channel in reaching others who share our appreciation for quality and heritage. This Halcyon creation is more than just a car, it is a statement. It proves that sustainability and classic elegance are not mutually exclusive. It is a rolling piece of art, a symbol of enduring luxury, thoughtfully and intelligently prepared for the century ahead. At Hargai, we are dedicated to bringing you stories of exceptional design, engineering, and craftsmanship from the automotive world and beyond. We believe in appreciating the value and the story behind beautiful objects. If you share this passion, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Join us in our journey of discovery and appreciation. You belong here.